Do you think HR job means just hiring people? Then this video will completely going to change your understanding. Hey everyone, I am Kalyani. Welcome to Learn HR with Kalyani. In this series, I will teach you HR from basics to advanced in very simple ways, perfect for students, freshers, and job seekers. And before that, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. First thing, what is HR? Let's start with the basic question, what is HR? HR stands for human resource. Human resource means people working in an organization. HR is the department that manages employees from hiring them to helping them grow in the company. Let me explain in a very simple way. In a company, machines don't run the business, people run the business. So, managing people properly is very important. That's where HR comes in. For example, when a company wants to hire new employees, HR will post job openings, interviews, conducting, selecting candidates. After hiring, HR also trains employees, solve employee problems, managing salaries. So HR is involved in everything related to employees. Next question is why HR is important. Without HR, no proper hiring, no employee management, no company growth. A company becomes successful only when employees are managed well. Let's quickly see what HR actually does. Key roles: recruitment, hiring employees, training, teaching skills, payroll, managing salaries, employee relations, solving issues, performance management, checking work. In short, HR takes care of employees from joining to growth. In next, easy one line definition, exam ready. If you are a student, you can write this definition. HR is the process of managing people in an organization effectively. And next important tip is remember this: employees are the biggest asset of any company. So HR manages the assets. HR plays key role. So now you clearly understood what HR is. In the next video, we'll learn about functions of HR. Very important topic. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe, and comment notes if you want any PDF notes.